Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about crypto.com and why we are positioned to have a very good opportunity of buying. I want to talk about Binance and how there's so much crazy FUD going on with these crypto exchanges. It just doesn't seem to end ever since the beginning of this FTX collapse. It just doesn't seem to want to go away. And I want to talk about where I think kind of the price is going for the overall cryptocurrency market. So let's hop into this video. Guys, we are almost at 6,000 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're going to be giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So subscribe now. Let's hop into this. So all the news right now is super bearish on Binance. There's so much ridiculous FUD getting pressed on these crypto exchanges. Some rightfully so, but it is definitely getting blown out of proportion. I think the enemies that be, we'll call them, that want these exchanges and want crypto to collapse, saw what happened with FTX with just a little tweet could do, what it could start from Binance. And they're trying to give Binance a taste of their own medicine, in quotation marks, because they are fudding Binance so hard right now because they think that Binance will collapse. But guess what, guys? That's not going to happen because Binance isn't stealing customer funds, isn't doing shady things, over leveraging themselves. It's not going to happen. So they need to just back off, honestly, because it's so bad for the cryptocurrency space. It just makes everybody look bad. And eventually, when this all blows over, only the strong will survive. And the strong, in my mind, is Binance and crypto.com right now. Those are the strongest exchanges by far right now. And I mean, just look at these. The Mazars to pause all work for crypto clients, Binance says. This is Binance kind of fighting back with Mazars group suspends all the work with crypto clients, including Binance. I mean, the Mazars group is who is doing the audits for these crypto exchanges. But it's a battle. It's a battle out there, guys. We do not want Binance to fail. If Binance fails, it's going to put the crypto industry back years, and we don't want that. We need to be a team. We need to all be working together in this space to show people this technology and how useful it is for everyday people. And we need to come together. We do not need to be picking sides and saying, oh no, I don't like Binance because I like crypto.com, and oh, I don't like crypto.com because I like Binance. No, that's not how it works. We need to be on a team, guys. We need to be united here. But I will say that Binance, their coin is holding up relatively well. They definitely have taken a hit. We've come down about 10% since this has all started back in early December, but we have come down a decent amount. They are. Let's measure this. Let's give a measured move to this. We are about 16% down, which is, I mean, that's a pretty big drawdown. But I'm happy. I mean, we're not seeing an FTX collapse because they're not over leveraged. They're reputable. Let me rephrase this. They're the number one crypto exchange in the world, guys. In the world. They're not doing shady things like deliberately stealing customer funds. $10 billion. They're not stealing $10 billion. And it's funny because I'm not seeing so much of that news going around about FTX right now after all this FUD is getting put onto Binance. Pretty interesting, honestly. It gets me going a little bit because it's really frustrating to see that. But I will say, this definitely positions Crypto.com to be in a very good place. I'm not seeing so much FUD about Crypto.com, and I'm seeing bullish news come out about Crypto.com. Chris Marszalek comes out and says, we remain steadfast in our commitment to build the most safe, secure, and trusted crypto platform on the planet. I love that. Look what happened, guys. We're thrilled to announce our latest milestone in strengthening regulatory compliance, this time in Brazil. Crypto.com has received a payment institution license from the Central Bank of Brazil. They are the only crypto exchange to have this. The only crypto exchange in the entire world to have this. This is great news, guys. Great news for Crypto.com. I will say, the price, however, we're coming down. We're coming down. Like I said, I don't think we're gonna touch this 5.5 cent mark. But if the FUD just keeps coming out, if it's relentless with these crypto exchanges and people get really scared, man, we could probably have a little drawdown. We could maybe touch this, but there would have to be some serious fear or maybe some time capitulation. And time capitulation is basically when you're trading sideways for a really extended period of time and the volume gets really, 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 really small and there's just no volatility and eventually, bam, time capitulation. That's what that is. I mean, that could happen, but I think that there's going to be we're in a data-driven market right now, and I think that we're going to have some moves in the not-so-distant future, especially towards the end of the year, towards the monthly candle close, the yearly candle close. I'm very excited to talk about that with you guys when we get closer to that. But so crypto.com, bullish. Bullish, bullish, bullish. All they're doing is building right now. The FUD is surpassed and kind of just gone to Binance right now. Hopefully it just goes away completely and the news articles actually start getting written about things that actually matter and aren't just clickbait and fear mongering. I really, it's not good. It's not good at all. It's not good for anybody. It's just negativity, and it's basically, I don't want to say it, but it's basically fake news. It's not real. It's not real. It's just FUD. But it's crazy they can just get away with it and just spread this misinformation. But so let's go over to the S&P 500 because, you know, when the S&P 500 goes up, risk-on assets go up. When it goes down, you know the drill. So we are still rejected off this trend line on the S&P 500. I do think that we don't have to come all the way to the bottom of this channel. I don't think that that's a necessity, but I do think that if we don't have any good data news here shortly, there's a good chance that we can come down. But the Fed was awfully, awfully dovish. They were dovish. I think that it was a buy the rumor, sell the news for the 0.5 basis rate point hikes. And we got there, but they said that they're looking to slow it down. They're looking to slow it down. So I think there's a good chance we could come kind of halfway down here and start to come back up. I think that there's a very good chance that that could happen. We could break out of this. I would love to break out of this trend line on the S&P 500 because, you know, if we break out of this, it's game on for risk-on assets like crypto. Bitcoin goes up, Crow coin goes up, altcoins go up. We want to see it. We want to see it. And I'll lead off with this. You know, we're getting close, guys. We're getting close. 365 days leading into the halving. I know I sound like a broken record if you watch my videos, but I am strong on this theory here that 365 days leading up to the Bitcoin halving, we're going to start rallying. We'll have seen the bottom. We will have seen the Bitcoin bottom. We might have some more drawdowns after we rally, but we will. There is a rally due. The rally was due when the FTX debacle happened, and it was a black swan event. The S&P 500 started running up. Back here, it started running up. And then the FTX news happened, and we just kept down. We were getting ready for a breakout. It's a shame. It really is a shame. But you know what? I'm not worried. This is the best time to be buying. Best time to be accumulating. And, you know, it's funny because a lot of people are saying, you know, I remember back in the bull market, the people that aren't really in crypto are saying, oh, yeah, like I'm going to be buying in the bear market. Like now I know. Now I know crypto's here to stay. Guys, I'm going to be honest with you. Only the people that are really involved in crypto are doing that. I'm not seeing the people that were saying that they were going to do that in the bull market doing that right now, and they're going to miss out again. They're going to miss out again, and it's a shame. You know, it's a vicious cycle. You gotta be able to put your money where your mouth is, and you gotta you know, scared money don't make money. It's a thing. It's a thing, guys. It's a thing. But guys, if you stuck around this far, please give me a like, subscribe. This is a great buying opportunity for all of your blue chip crypto assets, maybe even some NFTs. There's some great buying opportunities, guys. Thank you for sticking around. Like, subscribe. Bye.